Good morning, kiddos. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. I hope you are not playing any April Fool's jokes on your parents. They are sweet human beings that don't need jokes right now. Just kidding. Play all the jokes you want on them. Hocus pocus. What's our focus today? I can represent up to 120 objects with a written numeral. A numeral is a number, and then objects can be anything from crayons to teddy bears to circles to squares, anything you can name. Emmy and Julio together have 17 pet mice. How many mice might each child have? We have not come across this kind of a problem before. This is new. So when there's a question that says how many might somebody have, that is giving it in your hands. Okay, it's kind of letting you use your imagination and your brain and your thinking process. So, there's really not a right or wrong answer as long as you focus and you remember on the total number being 17. Okay, so, that's interesting. So the first thing that I would do is create two different parts. It could be squares, circles, rectangles, however you want to separate Emmy and Julio. I'm going to do circles, and I'm going to put an E for Emmy, and another circle, and a J for Julio. I'm going to come over here and change my color, because you know me, I like my different colors. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and forth, counting to 17 until I stop. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop. Now I'm going to count each dot in each part. So first I'm going to start with Emmy. Emmy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Julio has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's answering my first question. You might get a different answer, and that's okay. You could have Emmy having 10 mice and Julio having 7 mice. Okay, you could have Emmy having 7 mice and Julio having 10 mice. Be creative. I look forward to kind of seeing on Nearpod what different combinations of 17 you come up with. The green one is an extension, which means like a challenge question. Who has more and how many more does that child have? So again, this one's going to be a different answer for each person. Who has more? That means I'm going to do subtraction. 9 minus 8. And from my prior knowledge, I know that is 1. So my answer would be Emmy has 1 more mouse than Julio. But again, yours might be different. If one has 10 and one has 7, then one would have 7 more. Okay?
What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Take a number, and what's 10 more? Get the answer right away. You don't have to count, worry, or doubt. Add a 1 to the tens place. What's 10 more than 20? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 20 is 30. Okay, what's 10 more than 50? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 50 is 60. Okay, what's 10 more than 70? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 70 is 80. Okay, what's 10 more than 10? Add a 1 to the tens place. 10 more than 10 is 20. Okay, what's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Take a number, and what's 10 less? Get the answer right away. You don't have to count, worry, or doubt. Subtract a 1 from the tens place. What's 10 less than 20? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 20 is 10. Okay, what's 10 less than 50? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 50 is 40. Okay, what's 10 less than 70? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 70 is 60. Okay, what's 10 less than 10? Subtract a 1 from the tens place. 10 less than 10 is 0. Okay, what's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. What's 10 more? What's 10 less? You don't have to count or guess. What's 10 less? What's 10 more? Either way, you'll know for sure. Let's be...
All right, beep counting. If I was doing this in the classroom, I would recite the numbers on the Nearpod lesson, and every time I said beep, I would want you to tell me what that number was. So 10, 11, 12, beep, 13, 110, 111, 112, beep. It would be 113. And if you notice, they have in common the teen number. It's just adding the hundreds place in it. Okay, this one's going backwards. 20, 19, 18, beep, 17, 120, 119, 118, beep, 117. Okay, I'm going to let you do this one in your head. How many 10 sticks do you see here? So this activity is trying to get your mindset to being able to quickly identify how many, what the number is without having to individually count. So here we see that there are 5 10 sticks and 5 10 sticks. Sorry. 5 yellow 10 sticks and 5 red 10 sticks. 5 and 5 make 10. We know from our daily doubles. Okay, we know a 10 stick is worth 10. We do not need to individually count every single block. So we can skip count really quickly by tens, or if we knew what 50 and 50 was, that would be our answer too. So let's skip count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 would be the answer, would be the number of cubes. How many 10 sticks? We see 10 sticks. How many 10 sticks do we see here? Well, if my brain was focused on the number, I'm going to go back to it. I see 5 and 5, 5 yellow, 5 red. I see 5 yellow and 5 red again right here, plus 2 more. 10 plus 2 is 12. So there's 12 10 sticks. What would be the number? 120 would be the number. How many 10 sticks do you see here? Well, I see 5 and I see 5, but wait, my eye is catching something. There is one missing. So it's asking how many 10 sticks. This technically is not a 10 stick because there's only 9 on it. So 5 and 5 make 10, but if I see that one 10 stick is not complete, then I only have 9 10 sticks. How many 10 sticks do we see here? 5 and 5. And then there's a few more over there, but that's not a full 10 stick. So I still see 10 10 sticks. 10 10 sticks makes 100, plus 4 more, 104. Okay, today in your Showbie assignment, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have a lot of objects and place it into your place value chart. So here we see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Sorry, kiddos. I cannot stop yawning. My coffee is still cooling over there in the kitchen. I'm having a rough time. Day 3, right? It's that hump day. Okay, so 98. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 10. That's a really bad 10. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. That's funny. 10 groups of 10. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 107. How many groups of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Individual ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quick tens and ones to represent the following numbers. Write the number on the line. On Showbie, you're going to have this kind of a question, so make sure you show your work. You don't just use mental math, okay, or prior knowledge. Quick tens and ones, and the number on the line. So I need to draw 12 quick tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't draw any ones. And then I need to write the number on the line. And then quick tens and ones again. So 10 quick ones, or 10 quick tens. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4 ones. I'm going to run out of time for the recording. And then 104. Here's a matching game for you guys to do. And another game. Yay! Have fun, kiddos.